Hello friends, I'm going to show you Khara Pongal today. This is a request from a non-Indian friend who wanted to learn all the rice recipes of Indian rice recipes. So I started with Khara Pongal. Khara Pongal, we need rice, half a cup of moong daal. Moong daal you can find in Indian stores and or some Walmarts carry, and some of the Nature's groceries or Whole Foods may have those. So take that half a cup of rice, half a cup of moong dal. For this you need 4 cups of water. 4 cups of water. So it's almost 4 times water, because it's need to be little gravy kind of thing. It's not very like a rice, regular rice. And we need half to 1 teaspoon of salt according to your taste. And this is ghee. You can find in Indian stores, or you can make at home by melting the butter. And I can show you one time like how to make that. And this is like half to 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds we need, and half a teaspoon of crushed pepper. You can take peppercorns also, like about a tablespoon or teaspoon, but I don't like the peppercorns obstructing me while eating, so I just took the pepper. And also I took about an inch of ginger and cut into small pieces. You can grate it too. And this is Asofoetida. Asofoetida, you need that also, you can find in Indian stores. You just need a 1/8 teaspoon of it. About 2 to 3 green chillies cut into two pieces each. And if you like curry leaves, you can use too if it is available to you. And another thing is cashews. I have the roasted cashews, so I use them. If you don't have it, you need to add them while you're seasoning it and roast them. So now I took the instant pot, put it on the saute mode, and added the 1 teaspoon of ghee to that. Ghee, I didn't tell you how much quantity you need. It is up to you, but at least you need 3 teaspoons. 1 teaspoon we are using now. Melt it. Once it is melt, add the rice and dal to it and fry it. Roast it a little bit, like until they are light to medium brown. So ghee is ready now. You can add rice and dal. When the dal is roasting in ghee, it smells so good. The smell is really aromatic, and if you don't roast it, you won't get that taste or smell. So roasting is a must. See, this is almost ready. Now we can add the water. The 4 cups of water, add it to it. And add salt also now. Salt is always according to your taste, half to 1 teaspoon. You don't need more than that. And now I turn the instant pot onto rice mode. Covered the lid now. Put the lid and put it on rice mode. And while rice is being done, now here, while almost rice is done, when you take it out, wait for till the pressure goes off. And now you take another pan and add ghee to it, the 2 teaspoons ghee, and all the rest of the ingredients to it. Cumin seeds, pepper powder, chillies, green chillies, ginger, asafoetida, everything. If you use curry leaves, you can add curry leaves too. And if at the end, after all these are added, you need to add the cashews if you didn't have a roasted cashews. Since I have the roasted cashews, I just drop them in the dish. Now take the pressure pan out, the instant pot, open the instant pot, add cashews, also the seasoning, also add the seasoning what you made in another pan. That's it. And mix it well. The consistency you see, it should be like that. It's like a oatmeal consistency. It's not like a regular rice consistency. And mix it well and serve. You can add more ghee if you want while you're eating. It's up to you, but don't try to make it with oil. Ghee is the one tastes better for this item. This is made for special occasions or for breakfast or just like that anytime. But special like prayers, puja, when we have some special auspicious days, they make it. Thank you for watching. Hope you like it. Please subscribe it if you do.